using gamma function evaluate the given integral limit varying from 0 to 1 dx divided by root of 1 plus x power 4. To evaluate this integral, we have to bring this integral to the form integral limit varying from 0 to pi by 2 sin power p theta cos power q theta d theta. We should change this integral to this form because this integral is having the standard result, which is gamma of p plus 1 by 2 into gamma of q plus 1 by 2 whole divided by 2 times gamma of p plus q plus 2 whole divided by 2. So that we have to change this integral to this form. For that, put the value of x square, which is equal to tan theta. Therefore, x equal to tan power half theta. This is the value of x. Now find out the value of dx. dx equal to 1 by 2 tan power 1 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus half into theta. Then differentiation of this tan theta is secant square theta into d theta. This is the value of dx. Now we have to substitute all these values in the given integral. Before that, we should change the limits from 0 to 1 to 0 to pi by 4, because if you think about the lower limit, that is 0 equal to tan theta. Lower limit 0 equal to tan theta. Tan 0 equal to 0, therefore theta equal to 0. Then the upper limit is 1. So 1 is equal to tan theta. Then theta equal to pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So that the integral limit varying from 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x power 4 inside the root is equal to integral limit varying from 0 to pi by 4. Instead of dx, we have to substitute this value 1 by 2 tan power minus half into theta secant square theta d theta whole divided by 1 plus x square is tan theta, x power 4 is tan square theta inside the root. Now this is modified as, take this 1 by 2 outside, 1 by 2 integral limit varying from 0 to pi by 4 tan power minus half into theta secant square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Root of secant square theta is secant theta. Secant theta into d theta. Then this is modified as 1 by 2, limit varying from 0 to pi by 4, 1 divided by tan power half theta. This tan power minus 1 by 2 theta is 1 divided by tan power half into theta into secant theta d theta, because the secant square theta, secant theta, then we can get secant theta. Just cancel these two. This is equal to 1 by 2 into limit varying from 0 to pi by 4, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Therefore, this is cos power half into theta divided by sin power half into theta, because tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Therefore, this is modified as cos power half into theta divided by sin power half into theta. Then secant theta is 1 by cos theta. This is 1 divided by cos theta into d theta, because secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Now, this is modified as 1 by 2 into limit varying from 0 to pi by 4, 1 divided by sin power half into theta, then cos power half into theta into d theta, because this cos power of theta, cos power 1 theta. If you simplify these two, you can get cos power half into theta. This is 1 by 2 into limit varying from 0 to pi by 4. Multiply this numerator by root 2, then denominator also by root 2, because this is actually 1 divided by sin theta cos theta inside the root into d theta. This is the actual equation. Just if you remove 1 by 2, you should introduce root. Further, this is modified as 1 by 2, limit varying from 0 to pi by 4, 2 divided by 2 sin theta cos theta with a total root into d theta. Just I have multiplied the above equation by root by. Numerator is multiplied by root by, denominator is also multiplied by root 2. The numerator is multiplied by root 2, then the denominator is also multiplied by root 2. Sin theta cos theta into 2, then numerator by root 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2, limit varying from 0 to pi by 4, root 2 divided by sin 2 theta inside the root into d theta, because 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. This is equal to 1 by root 2. See this root 2, 2. So this is modified as 1 by root 2. Entire limit varying from 0 to pi by 4, d theta divided by sin 2 theta inside the root. Now we have to put 2 theta equal to t. Therefore, theta equal to t by 2. Then d theta equal to dt by 2. Now you have to substitute all these values in the above integral. Now think about the limit. Lower limit is 0 here. But if you introduce t equal to 2 theta, so 2 into 0, 0. Upper limit is pi by 4, which means that theta equal to pi by 4. If you express the quantities in terms of t equal to 2 times theta. Therefore, 2 into pi by 4 is pi by 2. Upper limit is changed as pi by 2. Then, if you substitute these quantities, the integral becomes 1 by root 2, limit varying from 0 to pi by 2. Then instead of d theta, we have to put dt by 2 all divided by sine 2 theta equal to t. This is inside the root. Now we have to modify this integral. Take the 2 outside. This is equal to 1 divided by 2 root 2. Just I have taken out this 0 to pi by 2 dt divided by sine power half into t. If you remove the root, we have to introduce 1 by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 integral limit varying from 0 to pi by 2. See this, sine power minus 1 by 2 into t and cos power 0 into t. Cos power 0 means 1. So if you introduce cos power 0 into t, which will not affect the nature of the equation, entire is multiplied by dt. Consider this is equation number 1. See, the left hand side is dx by 1 plus x power 4 inside the root. Here integral limit varying from 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x power 4 inside the root is this much. Now we know the standard result, that is sine power p theta cos power q theta d theta limit varying from 0 to pi by 2 is equal to gamma of p plus 1 by 2, then gamma of q plus 1 by 2 whole divided by 2 into gamma of p plus q plus 2 whole divided by 2. See this integral is in this form. Therefore, in the above integral 1, the value of p equal to minus 1 by 2 and q equal to 0, because cos power 0 into t. This is q, this is p. Now we have to use this formula. Therefore, integral limit varying from 0 to 1 dx by 1 plus x power 4 inside the root equal to 1 by 2 root 2, 1 by 2 root 2. Instead of this integral, we have to use this result. To solve this integral, just you have to use this p plus 1 by 2, that is gamma of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into q plus 1 by 2, 0 plus 1 by 2 whole divided by 2 into gamma of p plus q plus 2 whole divided by 2. This is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 2, 4. 4 root 2 into gamma of, this is minus of plus 1, that is plus of divided by 2, which is 1 by 4 into gamma of 1 by 2 whole divided by, see this minus 1 by 2 plus 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 by 2 whole divided by 2, that is gamma of 3 by 4. So this is the value of the given integral. The answer is 1 divided by 4 into root 2 into gamma of 1 by 4 and gamma of 1 by 2 whole divided by gamma of 3 by 4.